show him the baseball bat, Al.
Oh, okay. You're gonna want to open that.
He's got
Dad,
a baseball bat on here. And when he cracks people
you're gonna want to
with
come to.
it, he smashes them dead far like they're a baseball. He even makes the noise like you've hit it out the park and the little crowd.
So what you?
I just seen him doing it there.
Well,
It's well funny.
but anyway, so what you're gonna want to do? I'm just gonna show you how to like come in. I'm gonna show you which way to go and stuff. So I'm gonna just like come over like this way. Right. So what you do is you enter this little grid thing, yeah, you can find. Right. Then you come in through some tunnels. Don't go in that tunnel. Everyone knows there's no way you can go there. Just come through this one. Right. There'll be about 2 raiders here. But I use my December's child as like a little silent. So anyway, so what you're gonna want to do? You're gonna want to come in here. There'll be more raiders and still jump on Walter with Lash and I don't know the others. And I can't find them. I think there's 2 more, 3. But anyway, when you come there, you'll find a toolbox and there's Big Jim's wrench. Yeah, Big Jim's wrench.
Big Jim's wrench.
So that's how you get Big Jim's wrench. I just wanted to show you that. Now I'm going to I'm going to modify it. I'll meet you back at Sanctuary in a minute, guys. I'll just meet you back at Sanctuary. Oh, someone else. Guys, at Sanctuary. And we're going to go and mod this thing out. So basically, we'll just come over here. Yeah, I'm going to evolve with me. Right. Oh look, because it's near Christmas and stuff, I mean, I just thought I might just put Volby and Volby over and a bit of Christmas trees there. And I put some little games, just, you know what I mean, just fun. Move Preston. Yeah, you better move. Yeah, that's right. I'm the boss of Sanctuary. Anyway, so we're going to come to Big Jim's wrench. Okay?
All nice and clean.
No, Big Jim, sorry, I keep getting mixed up. So anyway, I'm oh, you just got a bit.
I hate it.
Anyway, so I'm gonna go with the extra heavy. Even though, but to be honest, I mean, it doesn't carry your weight, but I mean, the speed's good. Better. Anyway, so I'm gonna go with that, and that's how you get Big Jim's wrench. But should we? Anyway, so by the way, it's my dad's birthday, so
Tomorrow.
so I hope you comment and say happy birthday,
Alex's dad.
Alex's dad
Or Carl.
or Carl. Anyway,
Thanks, Al.
you're welcome. For all you great people out there who watch this, I think you are very amazing who watch this, and whoever subscribed to me, you're amazing.
That's what I think too.
Anyway, and that's how you get Big Jim's
That's a
wrench.
little endorsement from Al's dad. If
But,
you see my face on camera now, they'll realise I look like Will Ferrell. You got a picture of me on your
but
t-shirt.
this is my dad.
Does that look like me?
His Alf.
Okay, stand out the way. Let's let them see if they think that.
That's his dad.
It's not my dad. Can't be, he's still alive.
No, you're Will Ferrell's dad. Look.
I'm Will Ferrell's dad, you cheeky little get. He's older than me.
Anyway, guys,
Anyway, cough face.
should we go test this?
Right.
What is this, a little crash site or something? Anyway, so if you comment and if we do like that looks like it's well, anyway, what I'm saying, right, so where should we go? Like in the next video for show you a legendary weapon. Where should we go? Should we go anywhere? Just tell me anywhere. Not very hard because I have got it on very hard.
Throw this out because you don't need it now. Unless you want me to keep it.
Nah, Will Ferrell's dad. Oh, name's Will too.
Yeah, my name is Will.
Your second name.
My second name. Well, it was so yours.
Yeah, I know. Anyway, so we're gonna go
It's-
to Hub City Auto Records.
Well, you say our.
Our.
Yeah, our.
Anyway, so I'm your grandson. I'm joking, not really.
You little git.
I'm joking, I'm not.
42. You'll realise how young 42 is when you get there.
Wait a minute. You just said that he's older than me, but
Yeah.
your dad's supposed to be older than you.
Yeah, you said I was his dad.
Oh, yeah. Duh.
Oh, duh. Yeah, duh. Duh. Oh, I forgot what I said 2 minutes ago. Duh.
Anyway, let's go and test the
Yeah,
Big
anyway.
Jim out.
Yeah, don't chest it. What's it called?
Big Jim.
Big Jim, what is it?
It's a wrench. It's a wrench. It's a rare weapon. Let me just get it on. Look,
Yeah.
Jim.
Big Jim.
They think they're awesome, don't they?
That's rubbish.
What?
You're walking over them and hitting them all the time. Whereas Dad takes them out with stick.
Don't listen.
I take them out. I shoot them from distance, make them run to me so they get a big minefield
You're right.
I've laid.
What? You will see. I mean, I am on very hard, and it's taking quite a bit of damage off them. Look,
It is, yeah, that's true. Yeah.
I don't want to push trouble. Oh, you will.
Now you've got to like put your health up. Just for the sake, a machine gun turret has just absolutely annihilated 3/4 of your health points.
Right, comment and say if I'm a noob. I know everyone's going to say I'm a noob.
I think you are.
Thanks a lot. I appreciate it
Okay.
very much.
Okay.
Anyway, so that's Big Jim, and I hope you enjoyed this video.
Yeah, Big Jim. See you, Big Jim.
Bye.